Yeah. Got the garage cleaned up somewhat. I still got to organize, put stuff away. And I got a mess right there. But it's coming along, man. Since I get this cleaned up, I just ordered a DSP from Big Jeff Audio. I'm saying though, I ordered that duck-looking thing. And I put my seat back in to do measurements. My amps are gonna fit behind here. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. Perfect. I just gotta put my amp rack, my horizontal amp rack across there how I want it. My distribution block. The only thing I gotta figure out is where to put my lithium battery. I might end up having to use one of my cat banks, lithium super caps or whatever the hell you call them. But it's gonna fit in there good. Like I said, man, this is just a small build for now. You get me some bumpity bump. See, you don't shut that right. You gotta, to get it to hook right, you gotta lift this up, let that click. Lock her down, boys. Lock her down. Yep, so, yeah, this here, I was, what I was doing is practicing art class on YouTube, watching videos, and I spilt my paint. Nah, I was undercoating this bad boy, and I spilled everything. I'm a mess. Got my new garbage can today with wheels on it. Got that bling, got them 10s, got them 20s, got them 10s on there. I keep them pretty clean. But yeah, man, I got amps, radios, and stuff everywhere. That thing right there is full of wiring harnesses for vehicles. I don't even know which ones. I don't even, they're just in there. I got ham radio, CB radio, amplifiers. And then that top of that's full of more radios. Like I said, it's my little slice of heaven. I does what I do. I'm saying, son, I does what I do. You ain't know nothing about that when I does what I do. Alright, we'll cut y'all loose. I think tomorrow I might start putting the electrical in. So y'all have a good night, and hit that like and hit that subscribe if you can. Sure would appreciate it. Hey, like I said, y'all remember that? Bam!